Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make moin-moin wraps with your foil. When you are out of moin-moin leaves, you have to improvise. So this is my own kind of improvisation and I hope it really helps you. So roll out your foil, make sure it's rectangular, fold it into 2 equal halves. As you can see, 2 equal halves. Then fold the second time to form a square. When you've seen that it has formed a square, the two openings left on the side and on the bottom, fold those sides 2 times. That's the first, that's the second. Then again the underneath, 1, 2. Remaining just one opening, and that opening is where you pass your liquid, your grounded beans. You see, for opening, you can see my hands goes into it straight. Can you see that? Yeah, we're done. I perform the same action, though this is quite rapid. Equal halves, form rectangle, then fold 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, can you see? 1, 2. Again, rectangle, equal halves. You can see square. The sides, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you can have, you see, you can go again and you go again till you have the number you're planning to make for your moin-moin. And it's a wrap. You can see it looks so beautiful, and I hope you're going to try this at home. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.